Our 5-star reviews are our pride and joy because they let us know that we're doing a great job. And today, we appreciate the chance to share one of our favorites with you. Have a look. This is one of our favorite reviews. We really take every effort to make lasting impressions for each and every individual, and it's great to see that our hard work is paying off. Find out why everyone values their experience with us so much. They keep coming back over and over again. We want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you too. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. We'll see you soon.